Half-long couple neglected and gets no supplies of essential items as promised by government. Public raises demand for lockdown in Tekilangchun market. Illegal timber supply on the rise in Nilip. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Julie Hansapi with the latest news for today. And now the news in details. Questions are being put on the sincerity of the administrative bodies, especially the DDM of Dimahasao. As per government guideline, each home quarantine family unit of 4 members should get relief material worth ₹2,000 or the sum to be provided for a period of 7 to 10 days. However, Anjan Kumar Das and his wife, residents of Ladies Park in Haflong, who were kept under home quarantine for over 30 days, did not receive any relief materials from the concerned authority during lockdown. The couple had returned from Kolkata last month and was being kept under home quarantine after informing the medical team. While speaking to media persons, Anjan Kumar Das, a heart patient, said that they were totally neglected authority. He also said that no relief material were being supplied at his residence during the lockdown, due to which he was forced to ask from his relatives to deliver the essential items. Das and his wife, however, tested negative and immediately released after that.
হোম কোয়ারেন্টাইনতে মই পুরা গোটেইটো লক কৰিলে এক মাহ আছিল মই 18 তাৰিখ আহিছো আৰু 18 তাৰিখে মোক মানে কাগজটো দিলে ৰিলিজ কিন্তু ভাইৰাছ মোৰ 15 তাৰিখ সেকেন্ড টাইম মোৰ 15 তাৰিখতে ইটো হৈছে যে নেগেটিভ ৰিজাল্টটো আহিছে 17 তাৰিখতে হিনতে ইস্যু কৰিছে আবিলি 18 তাৰিখ আবিলি কোনোবা পেপাৰতে মোৰ কিবা উঠাইছে নেকি হেতুৰ পৰা মই মানে হয়তো হেতু ওপৰতে বেছ কৰি মোৰ 18 তাৰিখ 2টা না 2টা বজাত মোক হেতু দিছে যে মানে কোৱাৰেন্টাইন এণ্ড কৰিছে মই।
Meanwhile, COVID-19 cases in Dimahasao rose to 126, where 13% are active till Sunday evening. They are being treated at Haflong Civil Hospital. Suresh Burman from Haflong, Karbi Anglong Live. As the numbers of COVID-19 cases in the district begin to rise, people have become more concerned about their health. Apart from weekend lockdowns in the municipal areas, several small towns in the district have called for lockdown to prevent the spread of the disease. Following this, the people of Tekilangchun have also expressed their views for the need of a possible lockdown in the daily market area, as most of the people are seen to disregard the preventive measures. Even after the pandemic have claimed lakhs of lives, huge number of people are not yet serious about keeping themselves safe by following preventive measures. Several people of number 14 Korkanthi constituency who come out to the market area on daily basis, and even the shopkeepers are without masks and not physical distance. On the other hand, there is daily interaction of the local people with outsiders who bring goods from Nagaon, Doboka, Lanka and other places. But there are no precautions followed to keep the coronavirus away. Thus, people have urged the Tekilangchun Bazaar Committee to call lockdown on market area at least one day in a week. They have also urged that the Bazaar Committee has to be stricter in making people follow the preventive measures against COVID-19. Meanwhile, the total cases of COVID-19 positive in Karbi Anglong have risen to 246, with 3 new cases reported on Sunday. Out of the 246 cases, 187 have recovered, while 57 cases are active and 3 deaths. Samsung Ingti from Dokmuka, Karbi Anglong Live. The Forest Department under the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council is under the radar of public, as people of Nilip have raised their concerns over the rapid increase in illegal timber trade and activities. Lockdown or no lockdown, the trees from the forest under Nilip have been cut in large scale almost every day and are illegally supplied outside the district. The large scale of illegal timber supply business has been a regular phenomenon in the interior parts of Nilip. Every day, dozens of trees are chopped down and transported illegally for sales to towns like Golaghat and Jorhat through using Kalyani River as means of transportation and sometimes through road. Many of the valuable trees and even some of endangered kinds and thus supplied outside the district. According to locals, the timber mafias transport logs and timbers every night outside to different districts, and that this is not a new business. It has been going on for years and the authorities have remained numbed. This illegal business of timber have become a major cause for hundreds of children dropped from school as they see it as a source of income and join the business. So far, the Forest Department officials in Nilip have not been able to put an end to this illegal trade, and there are immense chances that if it continues for a few years more, the area would lose the entire forest cover. Thus, local residents have urged the Forest Department for a tough vote in wards and dips in order to save the forest. Justin Rongpi from Chokrihola, Karbi Anglong Live. Mafia seems to be thriving across the hill districts of Karbi Anglong as illegal activities and businesses related to sand, timber, coals continues unabated even after it's banned by Supreme Court. And in a latest incident, 2 Bolero pickup vehicles were caught by UKSA President Jensing Tarlong Teron for illegal supplies of sand under the Dolomara police station. The students' leader caught some locals who had stocked up 2 trucks of sand at Ajit Jalan Crusher, one of which was being transported. Following this, locals have expressed shock on how the forest staff did not see it while the sand is being transported before their eyes, and that too when one have to pass through the forest gate at Northern Range Dolomara.
Apuni karnat kam hoise Ajit Jalan acha khoda to pani thake aji bali lise je
bali ama factory banaya asile hetu gane amma malike acha puthi ase gane ami
acha apuni karnar kam kori asile
mo Ajit Jalan
acha etia to bali niba boli honisu gotike hetu kune order dile bani niya to
malike jane hetu ma ami ekone ami kam kora manu hoy ekone jano an balian boli kole ami loot kori je ya loot kori jabole bicharise apnalok kaise
labangso bali ponmom polam forest sorchini machine
labangso bali pon forest tum ta chini ni jibon ni ma tha tengte asopo selang ni tum ta ani onko ben ponchong hu bom sita lang tum ta gom long ni tel usante ani onko ben se lahai sang ti puang tan pon long te je polo.
People are asking as to how could Ajit Jalan be able to easily transport the sand from Dolomara. The biggest questions people are asking is who is the persons behind Mr. Ajit Jalan. It may be mentioned that in 2019, the Supreme Court on Friday ordered a ban on mining and construction activities in Kaziranga National Park and animal corridors. Arjisan Rongpa reporting from Dolomara. That's all we have with us for now. Thanks for watching Karbi Anglong Live.